What's up? I'm gonna do a cover of a Monk song, and this song is called Kapunyo Kishizu by Moore. It's an awesome song. I shared a video with girls singing it a while back, and she did an awesome job. And the song's been stuck in my head, and it's a throwback, so like doing me way back to my childhood. And so I wanted to sing it and share it with you guys and cover it. So here's a cover of Kapunyo Kishizu. Not as good as she is, so I apologize. Kapunyo Kishizu yato kamo okutamo dogo pochin sato tounyoke nyoto te jawoshi koto haitia komu Kapunyo Kishizu yato kamo choche toku ine shisayu ye tao tili tao shito wako talo jito sakanda ka nyatami Chato ya jisa katashi ya ilemu ya iho so katango kawake mukhati Lucia satin tunza ya yulida to down the door Toko no Lucia chiklo no chikapu chichonda Yono chito odachilo chichan Yoku sakako tokalando kunyoke Gulugo chata chato ya jisa katao shinyai ilemu nyai ko sakatao no kawake mukhate Lucia sati tunza ya yuli blow to down the door. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed it.